sir, once again you repeat average taxi everything.
See, first thing I want to say, as far as the app-based taxi is concerned, some impression is being given by some mischievous taxi people as if taxis from outside are coming. What are these app-based taxis? They are our own taxis only. They are not going to be brought from outside. And everyone has seen how well Goa Miles was functioning when they were there. For some reason, they had to go away from the airport. But after looking practically at what things are happening, taking stock of everything, and since High Court also passed an order the other day, other than prepaid taxi, black and yellow taxi, there should be alternate mode available. Very clearly they said it in the recent order just 2-3 days back, and they are set to file a compliance report. So it is also as per the High Court order, which I am doing. And Goa Miles is app-based taxi, which was already existing in Goa. They have signed a 25 years agreement, not by our department, by tourism department in the past, when the past government was there. But I honor that because they are already existing. I don't have to go hunting. Tomorrow, if the taxi people themselves come forward and they say we want to put our own app, we will rather assist them, fund them, let them come. Better if there is competition, better facilities or better situation and cheaper transport for the public.
Who will run this multimodal transport? Who will be operating?
See, multimodal, since Goa Miles is already existing, I have told them I will not give you any additional money from the government. They have promised me that they are going to give a multimodal app along with them without any extra charge to the government. And then once your auto rickshaws, your motorcycle pilots join them and integrate this thing, it becomes a multimodal transport. What is multimodal transport? You have more than one mode of transport to reach your ultimate destination. That is the last mile, to travel the last mile. As I said, you travel the first mile by bus from Mopa. I just gave an example to Penjim. Suppose you are going to Santa Cruz or you are going to Merce where there are narrow roads. You take a rickshaw or you take a motorbike.
But for now, this is just a plan or you are implemented it?
No, this is my plan because it is high time we adopt such a multimodal system. Goa should always be the first. Transportation at the moment is not a happy situation. We are a tourism state. We are already lagged behind. I want to cover up for all that.
कर्नाटक स्टेटीन ओला उबेर बॅन केले त्याच्यावर अपोजिशन्स गोंयात म्हणटा तुमचे बीजेपी गव्हर्नमेंट आहा तुम्ही काहीतरी धडो घे त्याच्यातून.
ओला आणि उबर हांव हाडना. हांवें तेन्ना कित्याक तें सांगिल्लें मुद्दम सांगिल्लें आमचे मनशा एक शिटकावणी कशी दिवपाक की आमी एप हाडटलेच म्हूण. हांवें मुद्दम गोवा मायल्स तेन्ना सांगूना कित्याक गरज शिवाय तेणी तेन्ना एक बदनामी केली गोवा मायल्स म्हणल्यार. गोवा मायल्स म्हणल्यार कितें इट्स अ एग्रिगेटर, इट्स अ गोवा बेस्ड एप एंड हू आर गोइंग टू बी मेंबर्स ऑफ दॅट आवर गोवन टॅक्सीज ओनली. वी आर नॉट इम्पोर्टिंग टॅक्सीज फ्रॉम अदर स्टेट्स ऑर फ्रॉम एल्सवेअर. हें तेणी नोंद घेवपाक जाय.
विजयान 2 दिसां पयलीं स्टेटमेंट केलें कर्नाटकान बॅन केल्या उपरांत गोवा गव्हर्नमेंटान कितें तरी धडो घेवंक जाय.
घेतलो न्ही म्हणून हांवें अजून डिसिजन घेवना ओला उबराचें. पूण हांव एक सांगता फाल्यां तरी मोपा एअरपोर्ट तेणी सांगलें आमकां ओला उबर जाय. वी आर गिवींग अ चॉयस टू द पीपल. देन इट्स अ प्रायवेट एअरपोर्ट, इट्स देअर चॉयस. थिंगा आमी इंटरफियर करपा ना.
तांकां ओपन आहा सद्या ओला उबराक
ना सद्या आमी लायसन्स दिवपाची मनस्थिती ना. आय एम वॉट यू आर सेईंग आय एम नॉट डिस्काउंटिंग दॅट. आय हॅव टू इव्हॅल्युएट इट व्हेरी केअरफुली. फाल्यां अशें जावपा जायना ओला उबर आमी परमिशन दिलें फॉर द प्रॉब्लेम्स वॉट दे आर फेसिंग एट द मोमेंट. It should not be the case. Tomorrow they start and again they shut down. Then I will become a matter of ridicule, which I am not going to allow.
तो पुढे गरज पडलेला घेतलं तुम्ही?
गरज पडल्या म्हणजे आता आयच्या स्थितीन आज एक ॲप आहा फाल्यां दुसरी ॲप येतली. आता गोवा मायल्स आहा जाल्यार फाल्यां तेज्यावन फुडलो कोण तेज्यावन बरे फॅसिलिटी दिता तो येतलो. बरो डील टॅक्सीवाल्या. अल्टिमेटली आमचे टॅक्सी कार भाव आहा आनी जे टॅक्सी चलयता तांकां एक बरो डील मेळपा जाय.
So will it be made mandatory on bars and pubs to provide cab service?
Yeah, I am working on that.
Because on licensing part?
Yes, I am going to discuss it with the Honorable Chief Minister, and whatever I can do from my department, I'll immediately start doing. I will start posting even RTO and other officers randomly at night time, so that fear is there that you will be immediately fined, because now fines are very steep, no, 10,000 asa drunken driving, your license also gets cancelled. We have to be strict. Why are laws being followed by our Goans when they go abroad? Because laws are strict, they are being implemented. हिंगा म्हणले इम्प्लिमेंट करप ना आनी मागीर मरता ती स्थिती आमी रस्त्यार पळोवपाची, हे चिंतपाची गरज आहा.
Sir, with regards to speed breakers erected on the road, at certain interior roads there are always speed breakers erected on every road. What is the transport department doing about
See,
it?
there is an order of the collector. Unless you have permission of the collector, you cannot get a speed breaker notified. But in certain interiors, you are right. Some village panchayats on their own they have put. So I am going to issue instruction in that regard as well. They cannot do what they want. They have to take collector's permission. It has to be duly notified. नाल्यार कोण उठसूट बस स्पीड ब्रेकर घालतलो आनी कोणाक खबर ना तो ते विलेजींतलो, कोणाक खबर ना वचून हाल्यार फ्लाय जावन मरपाक शकता न्ही.